The WorkBC Find Your Fit Tour recently visited Cedar Secondary. The Find Your Fit Tour is a BC-wide, fun, interactive, and educational event that offers students a hands-on way to experience WorkBC's label market information. Students at Cedar Secondary tested out occupational skills required to work in a range of occupations and explored different careers that are in demand in the region and across the province. These are just a few of the many opportunities provided to students at Cedar Secondary. It was educational, engaging, and provided career choice options students may not have considered before. A big shout out to WorkBC for stopping in our community.